Hey, the local time in Greenpoint is 21 minutes to 1 and you are watching ExPat. So yeah, here I am. I've moved to Brooklyn. There's the Empire State Building behind me. Yeah, this is the rooftop access for my new apartment. I mean, hey ho, it's freezing as balls out here today. It's really chilly. But in the summer, this is going to be the bomb. Over there, you can see the Manhattan Bridge. Yeah, the Manhattan Bridge. Manhattan for metal, Brooklyn for brick. That's how you remember. Over here, we've got the Empire State Building and the United Nations big building over there. Here I am walking along a pier that is like 5 minutes away from my house, and yeah, it's like on the East River. It's got some cracking views. Got the Manhattan Bridge again, and then if we spin round, Empire State and United Nations. Chrysler, I don't know. It's tough. Doing this YouTube. As lovely as the view is, I can't stay too long because I need to hop on a train and go to IKEA, which is the best way to spend a weekend in New York City. This is a prime example of the beautiful graffiti artwork that adorns the streets of Greenpoint. Ribbit, ribbit. I then travelled to the edge of the subway map, but thankfully I wasn't eaten by a dragon. I found myself in Red Hook and then in IKEA. See, the worst thing about going to IKEA for me is the fact you go around looking at all these beautiful places and thinking, oh, you know, wish I could live here. And then you see people and realise it's not your apartment. After spending far too much money in IKEA, I decided it was time to head back home. Alright, change of plan. I was on my way home when I discovered this telly. Allegedly, there's a sign on here that says it still works. So, looking huge, looked great in my room. And I've got to get it from here, across that, up to the 3rd floor. If it works, hooray, free TV for me. And if it doesn't, ugh. Okay, so I've got it up through the front door. And now I need to climb 4 flights of stairs. Why did I think this was a good idea? So this is my lovely little apartment. There's me.
Hi, son.
Got a spice rack, pots, pans, kitchen, and through here is my bedroom. I mean, it's not the largest bedroom, but you know, it's nice, it's clean, comfortable. Oh, it's also in IKEA. This is my real room. It's messy at the moment because of this monstrosity. It's not far too big for my room. And I think that's going to be it for this video, because I need to figure out where all this stuff is going to go now that I've got this big monstrosity in my room. So until next week, stay safe and remember to look both ways before crossing the road.